Hello friends, and welcome to another episode of Lex's Budget Bunker Build. So I'm in my workshop right now. It's been a really hot day, and this workshop collects the heat obviously in excess to what it is outside. I actually haven't measured the temperature outside, but just having a look at I don't know how well this is going to show up, to be honest. Let's have a look. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. 35.5 degrees Celsius. This is inside the workshop. So let's crack the lid open and see what the temperature is inside the actual bunker. So I've been meaning to do this for a while, but I need to get some batteries for the digital thermometer. Now, where's it gone? Here we go. Whoops, sorry, my thumb's in frame there. It's not particularly great, is it? Alright, let's crack this open and have a look. If you're thinking that thermometer looks pretty fancy, you'd be right. And but the one part of the LCD display's not that great, which is why it's been thrown out. So it's yet another one of my skip retrievals. Alright, let's go down into the abyss. Oh, I can feel it. It's cool straight away. Get down there, it's beautiful. Alright, let's just chuck that down there. It's going to probably take a way to acclimatise, but you can see it's dropping. Wait for that to steady off. Well, that looks like it, guys. 19.9 degrees, which is a lot nicer than 35.5. So it just shows how, building a bunker, how much climate control it gives you, just by virtue of being underground. And the good thing is that 19.9, it'll be pretty much the same in the middle of winter as well, when it's like 5 degrees outside. Come down here, it'll be 19.9, which of course by contrast will feel nice and warm, and that's exactly what I've experienced in the home theatre. So I hope you guys found that interesting. Now let's crack on with some making some progress.